anniversary ya the sponsor, you most welcome. Tuganatandika naye kwesi akyabuuza abasajja banne bwe bavuga emmotoka. Tutandika njagala ntandike ne auto show. Tutandike. Kiheerigwe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being with us here today. First of all, you're going to allow me to read as I speak. Where I think I have everything organized in my mind, but when I begin speaking, I forget some things that later on, as I'm walking on, like I should have also remembered to mention this. So I beg you to allow me to read some things that I have noted down. First of all, thank you for coming. Thank you, thank you. For all of us here, cars are different things. What brings us mostly is cars are a method of transport, but they are also so much more. They represent many things to different people. Freedom, identity. You're free to go anywhere. You identify, I'm a Subaru person, I'm an Evo person. Innovation, passion, and dreams. To some, it's a companion where you sit and have a moment for yourself. But for us gathered here, cars are a community.
Njagala kubabuulira ku nsonga ya Super Car Fest. Ababi bekulaba wano betudde nabo tulina kye twakoze abasinga mutumanyi ku street gye tuwangaalira tuli mu motoka ez'empaka era nga ffe bakulembeze abakulembera emmotoka ezo abamu zimusanga ku luguudo abamu zisanga ku laale tubadde tulina ebiwayi ebitwawula naye twagala twegatte tukole ekintu ekisinga ku ebyo bye tubadde tutegeka nabwe kityo tulina omukulu omusaale era nga muganda waffe ng'ate era saponsa naye nga ensonga zino zonna twakkiriziganya tukole ekintu ekyenjawulo ku biri bye tubadde tutegeka kyova olaba nti baganda baffe abasinga betera okubeera nga tufrontinga temubalabawo emmotoka zaffe ezisinga okudduka temuzirabawo nti zigenda kujja era zigenda twegattako naye nga leero twatunulidde nnyo mu bantu abali eno mu section eno endala baganda baffe abatuyambyeko okulaba nga ekintu kino kikolebwa muganda waffe DJ Ivan Todd muli basajja b'amaanyi kuba be batwaliriza mu section eno endala kuba ffe amaanyi gonna ge tuyina tugayina wali mu Motorsport.
Rugere Mkwano. So this is your chance. Okay, this is your chance to be open, Luganda and English, whatever language you want to use. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. So my name is Natasha Sonnet. I work at the International University of East Africa as the Dean of Students. We're really excited for the event that's taking place on the 14th of December. The reason we sponsored this event as hosts is because we have an IUEA rally team that's headed by our director, Ambassador Hassan Ali. And Motorcar Sport is very special to us and we're very passionate about it. We always send the team at almost all rallies and participate actively. Also, the connection is that with cars and technology, this relates to our university, being the technological university of choice. It's also another way to engage young people, which is obviously our target audience. The event should be really, really fun. We invite everyone. It's going to be a safe environment. It's going to be fun. This will give you a chance to also experience IUEA, see what it's all about while having the best day you could possibly imagine.
Okay, amanya Daddy Kim, WRSA iPod, nga fe abamu ku basaale abategesi ab'omukolo guno gwa Super Car Fest ogenda okubeerawo nga 14 ku IUEA ekansanga. Buli ayina emmotoka gireete emmotoka ennungi kuba buli ayina emmotoka akimanyi nnungi. So emmotoka yo tugisoosowaza yonna emmotoka gy'oyina jangu okuyingira emitwalo 2 abatambuza ebigere n'emmotoka eyingirira emitwalo 10 olunaku luli 14 ku Sunday December. Musuubire ebintu bingi abasinga mwenna mbadde mutulaba nga tuvuga emmotoka ezidduka badereva mbadde mbalaba ingini mbadde temuziraba leero mugenda kufuna omukisa okubikkula ku ingini ogirabe amaanyi ogalabe dereva omubuuze ebibuuzo byonna byagala omubuuza oyinza n'omubuuza ssente wazijjawo ezaagula emmotoka ey'obukadde 3 era ajja kuddamu byonna tuyina we are going to rub shoulders n'abavuzi tuyina activities nyingi tuyina unplugs tuyina fire flames tuyina band tuyina music tuyina DJ tuyina abayimbi bangi ba surprise artists bangi so it's a family day out leto omwana leto omukyala tugenda kunyumiranga 14 Sunday tuli ku IUEA Kansanga.
Yeah, what's up everyone? It's Kakre President Street Racers Club Uganda, and right now we are at Noniville as we are launching the Super Cup Fest, the first edition, together with the Street Racers Club Uganda, TT Drugs and Drifting, the O2 Show, the iPod, and all our car enthusiast groups. We love you everyone. Come through that day. It's going to be massive. Come and see your super car. Why is it called a super car? From 0 to 100 in 2 seconds. Many cars can't make that, so come and see the reach, the Beverly Hills of supercars. It's going to happen on that day of 14th December. Only 20,000, everyone to enter. Entrance. Gates will be open at 8 a.m. till 1 a.m. in the night.